Welcome back to my channel, friends. I have come today with a new thoughts, motivational thoughts. So today's thought is you are today where your thoughts have brought you. You will be tomorrow where your thoughts take you. It means you are today means where you are your thoughts have brought you. यानी आज आप जहाँ हो इसका अर्थ यह है कि यहाँ आपको लाया गया है आपके विचारों के द्वारा, इसलिए आपकी पोजीशन आज यहाँ है। एंड यू विल बी टुमारो, और कल आप जहाँ होंगे वो भी आपके थॉट ही आपको वहाँ ले जाएंगे। यानी कि जैसे आपके विचार हैं, जैसे आपके थॉट्स हैं, वहीं उसी प्रकार आप एक मंजिल पर पहुँचते हो अपने विचारों के अनुसार। और कल आप कहाँ होंगे वो भी आपके थॉट्स पर डिपेंड करता है। सो लेट मी एक्सप्लेन प्रॉपर्ली। दिस इज ए सेइंग, यू आर टुडे वेयर योर थॉट्स हैव brought you, you will be tomorrow where your thoughts take you. So friends, saying that thinking plays a very important role in our life. Will we actually estimating the power of thoughts? The fact is our thoughts are we. Our thoughts are our best friends but can also be our worst enemies. The good news is it is we who decide what to make of them. Negative thinking depletes our energy and renders us powerless. Right thinking energizes and empowers us. Man's greatest limitation is the one created in his own mind by his own thinking. There are no limits other than self imposed ones. Man's capacity is infinite, man's potential is unlimited. Nothing in the world will help you achieve what you want to achieve if you think you may not be able to do so. We finally become what we think. So, why think about what we don't want? Why not focus on what we want? One experiment was conducted by a primary school teacher upon her pupils, which shows how human beings move in the direction where their thoughts take them. The teacher told her class that in a recent scientific study, it has been discovered that children with blue eyes have a greater natural ability to learn things faster, while those with brown eyes are slower to learn. Then she divided the class into two clear groups. One group was of the children with blue eyes, another was of the children with brown eyes. After a week or so, it was noticed that the achievement level of the children with blue eyes had considerably gone up, while the performance of the children with brown eyes fell noticeably and miserably. The next day, the teacher made a shocking announcement to the class. She said she had made a mistake, a big mistake, that she had told them the exact opposite of what the result of scientific study said. She said it was the children with blue eyes who were slower to learn and not the children with brown eyes. The children with brown eyes were actually sharper, more intelligent, and faster to learn. Sorry for the mistake, children. Really sorry, she added. When the teacher made the opposite announcement, things started getting opposite too. In another week, the performance of those with brown eyes improved rapidly, while that of the blue eyes went down. As you can see, there is nothing to do with the color of our eyes, but everything to do with the color of our thinking. Success doesn't just happen. Success doesn't come by chance. This wins recorded by the greats like Muhammad Ali and Michael Phelps, and are first produced in their mind. The picture of their success was vivid and clear in their minds before their success materialized. The Olympic swimmer Michael Phelps' mother says about his son, he can go into the 200 butterfly knowing he needs to do the first 50 in 24.6 seconds to break the record and can put that time in his head and make his body do 24.6 exactly. So once you start buying first aid kits, you start having accidents. I close my motivational speech with these thoughts. Thanks, have a nice day, and ready for the next motivational speech. I will come soon to you.